ekibonerezo kyebaweere biri kubuga kirungi ino era kimutuukana okusinziira ku kyeyatukola n'ennaku gye yatulekera. Tweyanza kooti eno tweyanziiza ino ekibonerezo amayina gange netuba tumudiibwa Jessica bati kulumi bwe yandekamu yanda kuje yandekaku okuntira omwami wange n'abaana bange n'otuleka n'ebisago nga tuli mu kulumi. Ni musanufu ino kooti mwebala omulimu gwe mukoze era nsiimye ino mwebalire irala.
Where A1, A2, A3 and all their own charges the same.
Eranga omuwabi wanamba ndala bivu mukolobati okuba omuwabi wasembayo mu Gamedi omusango ogwo bali kuwabira omusango ogwo.
Count 9 to
alias Kaba, Kagaba Patrick, Motasari, alias Sama Yabosko, and Mombia Medi.
Bano bobona abana Robert Hamilton Birivumbuka Kaba, Kagaba Patrick, Dasi Sharif Gomidinga Sama Yabosko, name Gamedi.
On 29th day of June 2024 at 21:00.
Sangwa na gumola nga bagezaako okwita Sache Helen.
This court finds that the prosecution has failed to prove all the ingredients of conspiracy to commit felony.
Kooti eno ekizuire nti omwe wa gavumenti alemererwa okakasa n'okuleeta ebyetaagisa omusango okuba ngwemererawo. Mwana muto wa myaka 24.
Is a person of humble background.
Muntu aina family oba ebyafaayo bye nga tibi bino.
And has been contributing to the country's economy by serving and conducting a business as a barber.
Era abeera ayambako yeeno okukulaakulanya eggwanga lino ng'akola business ya saluuni.
Clearly, for a person of 24 years, he can still serve this country in various other capacities.
Era kyeraga bweraga nti omwana w'emyaka 24 akaina chance esaabinga eggwanga lino oba eweereza eggwanga lino paka.
He has 2 wives.
Aina abaana oba aina abakazi 2
with 2 kids.
n'abaana 2.
He's a sole honorable chairman. I do make the prayer
Nsaba
that this court in
nti
which
kooti eno okusinza ku 7:10
grants a lenient sentence. I guess so.
ewe abantu bange bano akabonerezo akatondono. State ekujja kuwa yona ebyayo lwaki abantu bano tibandiweebwa kibonerezo kitono ayina ensonga de. Etegera bulungi nti omusango guno ogw'okwekubaana okuyita
Contrary to section 191 of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
ng'era okuntaana akawaayo 10 na kalala mu bitabo by'amateeka ga Uganda.
Ntuusa okusiima kwange eri gavumenti ya Uganda nga nsima olwa kooti eno eyaidye Buwaya. Kino ekibairewo kiraga abantu abasoga nti okutwalira amateeka mu ngalo tikimalawo nsonga. Aye beege bategere ekyokola neyanziza.
Yes. Nize Gamukanuse chairperson of SFC wegombere Buwaya. Agabaire kati court martial eyo mujase yenda nakuba abe Buwaya kyembaire nsubira nekyo kyebakoze ekyo kumusalira nti yena afe era nga abantu kye basubira okubawo. Era ngo bantu babecha abana abasigere babecha kubonerako olwokuboneka nti lwaleero okufa kubairewo nga gavumenti amene court martial ekobye nti omujase yayita abantu bona bakole ki bamwete.
attempted murder,
okugezaako okuyita,
which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
nga okontana akawairo 1087 kakololero A nga ku mateeka ga Uganda chapter 128.
Count 7,
Omusango gw'omusanvu
attempted murder,
nga kwakugezaako kuyita,
which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
nga kontana akawairo 1087 akakololero A kitabo ky'amateeka ga Uganda chapter 128.
Count 8,
Omusango gw'omunaana
attempted murder,
nga kwakugezaako kuyita gwona,
which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
ng'era gwona okontana n'akawairo 1087 akakololero A amateeka ga Uganda chapter 128.
Count 9,
Omusango gw'omwenda
attempted murder,
nga gwona kwakugezaako kuyita,
which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
nga gwona okontana n'akawairo 1087 akakololero A amateeka ga Uganda chapter 128.
This offense is of a serious nature,
Emisango gino gyanaakomola
and there is a need to deter others
era waliwo obwetaavu bw'amaanyi ino okulebesa oba okuziyiza abantu abandi
from committing the same offenses.
okutaira mu kukwiza misango nga n'emirala ekyo.
On the other hand, the court has taken into account the litigation by the defense counsel
Okumukono ogw'ogundi kooti yeefumitiriza okusaba oba kuloya wawaberwa byasabye byataireyo
and does consider them in sentencing.
era ebyefumitirizaako era ebitaire kwiniisira webiri nkubibonezo bino.
In the circumstances, this court considered the 4-month period spent on remand in country custody
Era mu ngeri endala eyo kooti eno eringirira ebbanga omuntu ono lyakamala ku rimandi ery'emyezi 4.
This court therefore sentences you,
era kooti eno ekuwa ekibonerezo kino
RA 250302, Private Dirivumbuka Robert Herbertson,
RA 250302 Private Robert Birevumbuka Herbertson,
death in respect count 1.
era nga ekibonerezo ky'oweebwa kyakufa ku musango namba
90 years imprisonment in respect count 2.
Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 2 oweebwa ekibonerezo kusibwa myaka 9.
Life imprisonment in respect to count 3.
Omusango namba 3 oweebwa ekibonerezo okusibwa obulamu bwo bwonabwona.
54 years imprisonment in respect to count 4.
Osibibwa okumala emyaka 5 emyaka 5 n'ena
54 years imprisonment in respect to count 4.
ku musango namba 4 oweebwa ekibonerezo kyakusibwa myaka 5 n'ena mu nkomera.
51 years imprisonment in respect to count 5.
Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 5 ojja kusibwa emyaka 5 na mulala.
25 years imprisonment in respect to count 6.
Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 6 ojja kusibwa emyaka 25.
25 years imprisonment in respect to count 7.
Ojja kusibwa emyaka 26 ku kibonerezo ku musango namba 7.
No, 25 years.
Myaka 25 ku musango namba 7 n'ekibonerezo ky'oweebwa ojja okusibwa.
25 years imprisonment in respect count 8.
ojja kusibwa emyaka 25 ku musango namba 8.
20 years imprisonment in respect to count 9.
ojja kusibwa emyaka 2 ku musango namba 9.
At maximum prison.
Era ojja kusibwa eruzira awasinga security mu bikomere eryo erya gavumenti.
With effect from 31st October 2024, the date of conviction.
Okutandika leero luno ennaku z'omwezi nga 3 ogw'ekumi mu 2024 olunaku lw'osingizibwa omusango ogwo.
You have the right to appeal within 14 days from today.
17th of September 2024. As people who are humane, we extended support to the family of Buhiza Mdasi to a tune of 15 million shillings. This money was given to this family so that they can be able to rehabilitate themselves during this period of grief. To put this money into perspective, the wife to the late Buhiza Mdasi, Madam Timuchiwa Jessica, received money to a tune of 13 million shillings through our account. And what the consideration was that she lost 5 people, including 4 children and a husband. Whereas the second wife, who is Nabire Aisha, on the same note, received money to a tune of 2 million shillings because she lost her husband. So, following today's ruling and sentence, as UPDF, we welcome this sentence because this is a very strong message that will go to our members of the institution, that respect for the rights of others is very, very much important. They are there to protect their lives and property. Once you turn your rifle onto them, this means that we shall use the law to bring you to order. And for this, as UPDF, we are really happy with our legal team and together with the members of court. For we have taken 4 days in this place because we wanted to bring justice close to the people.